Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a recipe from High Carb Hannah. I've been hearing a lot about this recipe. People are raving about it. It is wild rice and mushroom soup. It's done all in the Instapot. I'm sure some of you have gotten Instapots for Christmas or Hanukkah, or you already have one. So I've got it set on saute mode, and I've just got a little vegetable broth in there, and we're going to saute some onion, garlic, and some mushrooms. So I'm going to go ahead and get that started. So we've left this saute for about 5 minutes, and now we're just going to add the rest of our ingredients. So I've got 2 cups of red potatoes and 2 cups, well, it's about 2 and 1. 2 red, 1 sweet. Got 1 cup of wild rice. I've got 2 tablespoons of Italian seasoning and 2 cups of chopped kale. Then we're going to add in 3 cups of veggie broth. I use the low sodium. And then we're just going to cook this on manual for 22 minutes and let the steam release naturally. And then we'll have 1 more ingredient to add. Here's our soup. Look at that. So hearty. So the last thing we're going to do is add about 1/2 cup of cashew cream, and I will link the recipe in the description box. I already have a video on that. So we're going to stir this in, and then we're going to taste. So here's the finished product. Such a hearty soup with the wild rice and the sweet potatoes and the mushrooms. Looks so good. And that cashew cream just made it, oh, so beautiful, nice and creamy. So let's give this a taste. Absolutely amazing. Everyone was right. This was absolutely delicious. So I will link Hannah's information in the description box, as well as the recipe. So please give this one a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And remember, what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and make sure to hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. Until next time, thank you.